Namaste. So I welcome here Capricorn or Makar ascendant or moon sign people, Makar Lagna or Makar Rashi people. I am going to talk about the Jupiter transit which is happening in your Bhagya Sthana or the ninth house or the Dharma Sthana, and what are the implications of this Jupiter transit for the next 1 year for you people. Okay, so Jupiter, being the lord of the 12th house and third house, is placed in your Bhagyasthana. Okay, so you will get connected with people from overseas or people from foreign lands, and you can do something related to foreign lands. You can do some business with these foreign peoples, or you can start some venture, and you can sell your products or sell your services to foreigners or foreign land people. So this is the time of Bhagyodaya, of or awakening of fortune with respect to foreign countries or foreigners. So if you're wanting to do something related to foreign land, this is the time. Now Jupiter in Bhagyasthana or the house of fortune, after 12 years, after one tapa, 12 years is one tapa in Vedic Jyotish or astrology. So Jupiter came to your Bhagyasthana or ninth house after one tapa or 12 long years. So this transit will set the tone, the mood, the dasha disha of your next 12 years journey. This is a very very auspicious transit for you people. Uh, you means, from last 6-8 months, you are troubled like anything, because of Saturn Mars combination. Fortunately this Jupiter will help you like anything. Any health hazards, whatever health issues you were having from last 2.5 years time, those will be solved, or those will subdued because of Jupiter transit and because of Jupiter's aspect on your lagna, right? So it is really a blessings of Gurudev or planet Jupiter for you people. So no worries on health front, foreign connection, time for Bhagyodaya or awakening of fortune. Your co-borns or siblings will do phenomenally well. If you want to write something, or do some videos or shoot something, or basically express something, then you can express about religion as a whole. Okay, it is very good time to start writing. You should start writing books or novels, and the major theme should be religion, spirituality, occult, etc. You will be successful in this 1 year's time. If you want to upgrade your skills, if you want to learn some shastra, or for that matter any vidya or general studies, uh, this is the right time. You can enroll for new courses, general courses as well as specialized courses, as well as courses of Vedic wisdom, astrology, occult, etc. If you want to learn astrology, come to me. Okay, I teach astrology online, and my students are the best. Okay, so this is the right time, for all those things. Uh, if you want to fall in love, this is the time. If you want to have a child in family, this is the time. If you want great romantic relations and moments, this year is blessing all those things upon you. So all goody goody things, right? And especially if you I think you people should think about settling on foreign land or going to foreign places or doing some business with foreign lands or foreign people, huh? Because that will give you, the bhagyodaya, that will trigger your fortune, right? So many good things. From January, Saturn is also transiting. Saturn will be transiting to your 12th house, and 12th house is what? 12th house is again foreign affairs, right? So see, a Papa Graha in house of foreign affairs, that is the 12th house, it's a blessing. So Shanidev in 12th house again activates your foreign connections. So if you don't have any thought of going on foreign land, and if you are watching this video, then the destiny is telling you that you should think about it, and only because of that you are here and watching my video, right? And destiny comes like this only, all of a sudden means, you're watching something and someone gives that thought in your mind, or something clicks, oh, why can't I do something like this? Okay, so this is an ideal phase for you. You should think about it, and I'm sure in this 1 year's time, all those ventures or attempts to connect with foreign land or foreign people will get successful, and that will trigger your fortune. The bhagyodaya will happen, and the fortune will shine upon you. The Gurudev is saying tathastu, so be it, all your desires will be fulfilled, right? I know you people must be troubled last 2 years because of Saturn's transit and Mangal's affliction to this Saturn, especially from last 6-8 months. Okay, so take full advantage of this transit. If you need any help to fix this graha yoga, or to enhance or boost the results of this Jupiter or Saturn, you should take my services, and you should go for a detailed personalized reading of your horoscope or kundali, and follow my advice and do whatever remedial measures I'm telling you. See, instead of doing major losses by just committing some silly mistakes, it is advisable that you spend a few thousand rupees and get a reading and plan your future, right? N number of people are taking advices from me, and they are happy. I have hundreds and hundreds of families across the globe, I'm doing Jyotisha from last two tapas or more than 20 years, and so many happy families, so many happy lives. People tell me that sir, your job is great. You are giving the dasha and disha to a life. You are guiding a life in its true sense. So this is a very noble profession. This is a very noble job, and I make people, I get satisfaction in making lives. I have n number of millionaire clients. I made them. They were not millionaires. I made these people, by guiding them on time rightly, and by performing some Vedic rituals for them on the right time, right way, in a very very right Vedic manner, and it works like this. So if you need any help, just go for the Kundali reading, get a horoscope reading from me. You can write to me on Dilip R at bhaktidhara.com, and if you want to book the reading directly, just go to my blog site. It is dilip-raut.blogspot.com. The link is given below. Just click on the link, you will be redirected to my blog site. On the right hand side of the page, there is horoscope reading window. There are 3-4 options. Select whatever option is suitable to you, whether telephonic consultation or written analysis, and just do the payout, and I'll see to it that I look deeper into your horoscope and guide you as per the shastra. Okay, so May Gurudev bless you all, and my blessings too. Dhanyavad, Namaste. Thank you very much.